I don't think people understand just how crucial car detailing is until they see the incredible results from Chulo Detailing. Hey there, Broward. Imagine cruising down Ocean Drive in a ride that's as sharp as your style. That's where Chulo Detailing comes in. With 20 years in the biz, Chulo Detailing isn't just about clean cars. It's about keeping your car looking brand new and turning heads everywhere you go. Why is detailing so important? Well, a regular wash might get rid of the dirt on the surface, but detailing goes deep. It protects your paint, extends the life of your interior, and keeps your car's value high. Plus, who doesn't love that new car smell? Our team at Chulo Detailing uses top-notch products and techniques to pamper your car, inside and out. From luxurious leather seats to gleaming rims, we've got it all covered. And yes, we've worked on some pretty exotic rides. Just picture your car looking like it's ready for a photo shoot. So, next time you think about skipping that detailing appointment, remember this: your car deserves the best. And the best is Chulo Detailing. Give your car the love it deserves and contact Papi